Here I've got the DT700 Pro X headphones. These are the closed back versions. I'm going to open these up and give you a little glimpse of what you can expect when you receive these. So the orange tab is going to be the sticker. So we're going to cut that open. So open the box here. Okay. So here are headphones. These feel very soft and very light. Again, they've got that closed back design. I do have the old pair of the DT700. I believe they're 750s. They have the spiral cable. I've had them for years. This would be considered an upgrade. The foam pieces feel even softer and more comfortable. Feels like something off of like a bedding department, like a nice blanket or so. Now just continue through the unboxing. Got a pamphlet, if I can take this out correctly, showing you instructions on how to plug in the cable, also what's included. Now there are some cables. Open this up. And here, they want us to open up on the side, the orange tab. And here you will find a nice traveling bag that feels really soft, luxury. And looks like we've got a couple of cables inside. Now one of these is going to be a longer cable. It's going to be the orange one, I believe is a 3-meter cable. And then this one's going to be 1.8 meters, but both have the same connections. You've got your handy dandy 1/4-inch TRS adapter, and then you've got this locking 3-pin. So if I just take the blue ones here and make sure the dots line up correctly. Let's see, 3 dots. And there we go. So those are locked in. I'll go ahead and put these on. Now I do have a really big head, so you can adjust these, pull these out as far as you need to. Go ahead and put them on. Yeah, those feel great. As I'm talking, it sounds like I'm underwater. It's definitely blocking out the sound, even just me hearing my voice. It's always a good sign. Got a lot of isolation on these. So I'm not much of a model, but these are the headphones. I think they look great. Kind of that slate gray color. And of course you can adjust the headband to be as tight as you need them to be. So there you have it. These are the Beyerdynamic 700 Pro X closed back headphones. There's kind of what to expect.